Beautiful 4/3 pool spa home with extended garage and extended lanai on oversized Lakeview lot. This Devon floor plan located in the Plantation, Somerset has a formal living room, dining room and family room. Wood laminate floors in all bedrooms and tile on diagonal in all remaining areas. Gourmet kitchen has granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, raised panel wood cabinets with 36 upper wall cabinets, recessed lighting, center island, desk area and breakfast bar. Tray ceilings with crown molding in dining room, family room and master bedroom. Wood shelving in pantry, utility room and all closets. Glass sliders in living room, family room and master bedroom open to the oversized lanai with spectacular lake view and is ideal for entertaining. This home has been well loved and maintained and is located near cul-de-sac. Golf lovers. This home currently has full golf membership and is eligible for non-recallable golf membership for purchase. Conveniently located near Southwest FLA Intel Airport, I-75, beaches, dining, entertainment, hospitals, shopping, schools and restaurants.